Updates news channel. Let's talk about this week update. In Madhya Pradesh, the pen of former Congress President Arun Yadav not getting ticket from Khandwa once again came in the front of everyone. Addressing a meeting in Burhanpur, Arun Yadav said that I do what the party instructs me. Every time I grow in the crop, I give it to someone. This happened in 2018 also. The High Command said that your crop will be given to someone. If I give it to you, I say give it, then you will grow it. I do what the party says. Arun Yadav was addressing the gathering during the election campaign in Burhanpur. During that time, he made the statement. Actually, Arun Yadav was claiming ticket in Khandwa by-election, but a day before the name was announced, Arun himself refused to claim by treaty. Now, people are seeing this statement of Arun Yadav by linking it with the same tweet that Arun Yadav had left the claim at the behest of the party. Arun Yadav himself has also tweeted this video of his. In this meeting in which Arun Yadav gave this statement, another candidate for the ticket, that is Surendra Singh Shera, an independent MLA from Burhanpur, was also present. In the meeting in which Arun Yadav gave this statement, another candidate for the ticket, that is Surendra Singh Shera, an independent MLA from Burhanpur, was also present. During this meeting, Arun Yadav said that when I wrote a letter to the working president of the party, Sonia Gandhi, expressing my desire not to contest of the Khandwa by-election, a rumor spread in the media that Arun Yadav was going out of the party. Worrying leaders have flown the rumor of my going out. But Arun Yadav is not going anywhere, will be in this Congress party. Here's on the statement of Arun Yadav. Now the BJP is seeing an opportunity. Bhupendra Singh, a minister in the state government and convener of the BJP Election Management Committee, has invited Arun Yadav to join the BJP. Bhupendra Singh said that injustice has been done to Arun Yadav. He struggled as the Congress state president in the BJP government, and Kamal Nath came and became the CM. For the last 6 months, Arun Yadav was preparing for the election, and the party retired gave ticket to a former worker. If he comes to BJP, then he is welcome. On the other hand, the statement of BJP National General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya has come on Arun Yadav's statement. Kailash Vijayvargiya said that this is what always happens in Congress. Someone grows crops, someone rips, and someone steals. He did not tell that people also steal crops. So that's it from us in this news. Thank you for your time.